morning, student. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the application part of Biot-Savart's law. In first topic, we have to find the magnetic field intensity at the center of current carrying coil. Now let us consider a coil of radius A and it carries I amount of current. In order to use Biot-Savart's law, we have to consider an current element of length dl. Now the distance of the point from the current element is equal to its radius, and according to Biot-Savart's law, the strength of magnetic field at any point is given by mu naught 4 pi I dl sine of theta upon r square. This is the mathematical form of Biot-Savart's law. For our diagram, according to our diagram, we can write dB, it is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sine of theta, where theta is the angle between the element and position vector of the point, and which is equal to 90 degree. Hence we can write it as sine of 90, and distance of the point from the element is equal to a, hence it can be written as a square. Value of sine 90 is 1, hence we can express this expression as mu naught upon 4 pi I dl upon a square. This is the strength of magnetic field at center only due to this element. In order to find the total magnetic field intensity, we have to take integration on both sides. Integration of dV is equal to B, and integration of this part can be written as mu naught upon 4 pi I dl upon a square. Okay, इस इंटीग्रेशन साइन के अंदर जो भी कांस्टेंट वैल्यूज हैं they can be taken out from the integration sign, and within integration we have only dl, and integration of dl का मतलब है summation of all such small elements, जितने भी छोटे छोटे एलिमेंट उन सब का सम, and which is equal to the length of the circle, and length of the circle is equal to its circumference, and circumference is equal to 2 pi. इसको अगर हम सॉल्व करें, we can write it as mu naught I upon 2a. Means the strength of magnetic field at the center of a coil is given by this relation. In case if there are n number of turns, we can write the strength of magnetic field as mu naught Ni upon 2a, where n represent number of turns, I represent current through the coil, and a represent radius of the coil. So in this way, by using this relation, we can find the strength of magnetic field at center. Direction of this magnetic field is given by right hand palm rule, and according to right hand palm rule के अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम अपनी राइट हैंड की फिंगर्स को कर्ल करें अकॉर्डिंग टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट, देन थंब पॉइंट्स इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट द सेंटर ऑफ द कॉइल. ओके, एज पर आवर डायग्राम द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट इज क्लॉकवाइज. तो मुझे अपने फिंगर को अगर मैं क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में कर्ल करूं, टर्न करूं, then thumb is pointing in inward direction. It means as per our diagram, the direction of magnetic field at the center is inward. Okay, in case if the direction is anti-clockwise, अगर anti-clockwise direction है, इस केस में फिंगर की कर्लिंग anti-clockwise direction में, in that case thumb is pointing in outward direction. In such case, the direction of magnetic field is outward. Now, in case of complete coil, the strength of magnetic field at the center is given by this relation. In case of n turns, it is given by this relation. Suppose we are having partial coil, means half turn अगर हमारे पास है. In such case, we know that the strength of magnetic field at the center will become equal to mu naught I upon 2a multiplied by half, क्योंकि it is only the half part of the coil. Half part की जगह पर मान लेते हैं हमारे पास एक coil है which makes an angle of theta degree at the center. In such case, the strength of magnetic field is given by mu naught I upon 2a multiply by theta upon 360. In place of 360, we can also write 2 pi. If the angle is given in degrees, we can write theta by 360. In case when angle is given in radian, we can write theta by 2 pi. Because for 2 pi angle, the strength of magnetic field is mu naught upon 2a. In case of theta angle, the strength of magnetic field will be equal to theta upon 2 pi or 360. And in this way, partial coil के केस में भी सेंटर पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की स्ट्रेंथ क्या होगी वो हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं.